Happy birthday.
Elias,
Elias,
I love you.
love you.
Love you.
Love you.
Elias. So, ang message ko sa bunso namin, happy birthday, Elias. Thank you for the extra joy that you've given to our family, for being a good bunso to your two kapatid na medyo makulit natin.
Happy birthday anak, Elias. We're so blessed and grateful na dumating ka sa buhay namin. And we pray na lumaki kang mabuting bata at may takot sa Diyos.
Elias Apollo Libunao Espino and his family.
Happy birthday, Elias!
Of course, you're surrounded by people who love you. So kami naman, our wish for you is na lumaki na healthy and strong, but most importantly, God-centered, kasama yung mga mahal mo sa buhay.
Hi Elias! Happy birthday! I wish you to grow up as a loving child as well as a good younger brother.
Happy birthday, Elias! Enjoy your day, be a good boy, and follow your parents. God bless.
Happy birthday, Elias!
Happy birthday, Elias! The bunso of the family. So we're very blessed that you are in the family. Nagkaroon ng little brother si Kuya Lucas. And we're very, very thankful for your life and the joy that you bring to the family.
I pray that you will grow healthy and rooted in faith, and we will always pray for you and for your siblings and parents. Happy birthday.
Happy first birthday, Elias. Sana maging mabait kang bata sa iyong paglaki, kasama ang iyong mga pinsan at dalawang kapatid pa. Aalagaan kayo ni Lola hanggang siya malakas. Love you.
Happy birthday, Elias. I love you for being so cute. You're so nice and you bring joy to the family. Happy birthday. We love you.
We wish you a healthy, wonderful, well-lived life and with a love surrounding you.
Happy birthday, Elias! Wish namin sana lumaki ka ng maayos, God-fearing, and wish you all the best.
Happy first birthday, Elias! I wish you good health and always remember that God is always with you on your journey. Be a good boy. You are a blessing to your parents and to your siblings. Remember that always.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Yes.
Happy
birthday.
Happy birthday,
Yes.
We pray that you always strive and you always grow. Sana maturuan ka namin na maayos ni Daddy na mas maging mapagmahal sa Diyos. Mahal na mahal ka namin, anak. I love you, baby.
Happy birthday, Elias!
Happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!